Oh, today we got a Cat 390F. Big old girl. Whew. And there's supposed to be a bracket in there somewhere. Okay, I see it. I'll show you what happened. So we got GRI3 GPS mount. That's the main. And that was auxiliary. It sheared off that bolt. I have to assume when somebody impacted that bolt down, it was either a weak bolt to begin with, or it just sheared it enough, and then the vibration took it the rest of the way. We'll just put it in that bolt right there, remeasure, test it, and be done with it. Interesting. That's a big machine. They're putting in some serious steel ductile water pipe. Yeah. Alright, let's grab this mount. Now we need the display. Hey, that looks like a mount that I made. Yep. Oh, yep, there it is. I think what we'll do is we'll just grind that flat a little bit. Maybe. Is there a rest of the bolt there? I think it's gone. Alright, well, let's just put another bolt in through it and remeasure, and once the display shows up, we'll just enter the new measurement for that antenna. Put it in the GX55. That might be the bolt right there. Yep, that's the bolt right there. That's interesting that it's sheared like that. Alright, let's fix it. Alright, so there we go. It's back together. My original plan was to extract that out. I was gonna, I don't know, drill into it, use an extractor, or try to weld another piece on it and get that out and use that spot so we didn't have to change the measurement. But it's a hydraulic tank, so, and it's a stud. I don't want to pierce this top plate if I drill, so just painted the top, be done with it. There's another bolt back here. There's actually a couple more. There's one there. They're all over the place, so we can put this pretty much anywhere we want. This is a decent spot. There's no way that broke with vibration. What happened, it sheared off. If you look, let me see if I can grab it. If you look at it, and if I do a close-up on it, you'll see all the carbon that's in it. This is a defected bolt. It's not even, I don't even think it's rated. It's not a good bolt to put in there anyway. So I used a hardened bolt in that spot and just bolted it down with a lock washer. That's gonna go nowhere. So easy fix. Now we just need to take the measurement from this center, this is where the center of that was, back, and add that to the measurement in the system from the center of the pin back to the center of the antenna. The height didn't change, so elevation's not going to change. If we don't put this measurement in, north and east will be off. Let's see how much it'll be off. Almost about 5/10 it would be off. So we'll shoot this measurement real quick, and we'll add it to the system and give it a quick test. And that's all it needs. Done. It sure is a big old machine. 390F. Yeah. Nice. Let's get some power in here. Maybe a little heat. the system. Beautiful machine. It's got nice teeth on it and everything. It's a nice digger, that's for sure. Where are the wipers on this thing? Is that front wiper? Here we go. Again and again. There we go. Nice. How do you turn it off? That should be off. Okay, there we go. I don't know, don't remember if they're on network or if they're on a base. We'll have to look. They are on a base, so we're not going to be able to connect to anything, but we have 2 GPS antennas that will still read GPS. And there they are. Come on. Come on, wake up. Let's do a restart. Sometimes on the first start, it's just like any computer, you know? You want to let it warm up, but then if you restart, it's going to have better connection on everything. It's just all those electrons flowing through the system. Electricity, it doesn't like the cold. It doesn't. And we'll do one more restart just to make sure. Open up all those floodgates, you know. Get those electrons flowing. We're not going to get radio, not concerned with that. We have main, and now we have auxiliary. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright, so the only thing we need to be concerned with at this point is adding this measurement right here, number 4. So off the center pin, to the center of that GRI3 antenna was 2.23. So all I need to do is add the difference. So I've actually extended it out this way just a little bit more. In fact, I'll tell you exactly how much more. 0.46 is how much more, plus 2.23 equals 2.69 is that measurement. Next, 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 next. Nothing else changed. I didn't change the height. Nothing. And done. We're done with this machine. It can go back to work. Very interesting that that bolt broke, but I have to assume, the way it looks to me, it was a defective bolt. So actually I wanted to take a photo of that, but I guess I don't need to. Alright, moving on. Moving on.